Are you looking for the best boat varnish for the money? Here we will break down the top 4 best boat varnish for the money on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. TotalBoat Gleam Marine Spar Varnish. It is arguably the best varnish for wood that you can shop for, especially if you are a sailor. This formula is a certified marine-grade varnish with UV inhibitors, phenolic resins as well as tung oil. It gives your wooden surfaces an impressive bright color finish. If moisture and UV are your problems, then you can end it by the use of this product. One impressive feature of TotalBoat Gleam Marine Spar Varnish is that it does not produce bubbles whatsoever. It dries into a very smooth finish. Besides, no thinning is required when using this formula as it has fast drying features that can allow you to apply several coats in a day. Moreover, it is transparent, and this plays an essential role in enhancing the natural beauty of the wood by exposing the wood grain. You don't need additional color when using this product, and above all, it glistens when landed upon by sunlight. It's a classic marine spar varnish with tung oil, phenolic resins, and UV blockers. This formula will give your wood a beautiful, clear amber finish. It is the ideal amber clear wood finish for both interior and exterior usage, especially in most areas and where UV resistance is critical. It's easy to use a formula with self-leveling features, and above all, it dries faster. Use on both interior and exterior surfaces. It's available in multiple sizes as gallon, quart, and pint sizes. The formula is user-friendly even for non-professionals. You can use it for bar tops, doors, boats, etc. Finally, it is available in many sizes, and you don't need to be a professional to use it. At number 2. Epifanes Clear Varnish. This clear varnish from Epifanes is one that comes with maximum ultraviolet protection. This is a very popular choice by users due to the fact that it is produced with top-notch quality. Most boat owners go with this product because it provides them with an ultra-high gloss finish that you won't find in most finishes. This product gives its users a clear finish, and it has been rated one of the best ultraviolet-resistant varnish in a popular boat building forum. If users want maximum protection and a stunning appearance for their outdoor wood, this is the product to go for. This is because it does a magnificent job highlighting the natural look and feel of the wood surface. For application, this product is not handed to put on wooden surfaces, it comes with instructions and directions on how to make the best use of it. It also applies very smoothly and tends to self-level more when compared with other products. There are also sides you have to know before you buy this product. First of all, you have to apply about 3 coatings to get the required result you want. Secondly, their customer support is not prompt in reply or action. This product has been known to give users a lustrous finish, and it would provide them with high standard protection in any climate. Although it has a few flaws, it is undeniably the best varnish for hardwood, softwood, and marine application. It can also be used to restore old wood to its former glory. At number 3. Rust-Oleum 207,008 Marine Spar Varnish, Quart. With lots of options to consider when it comes to the best marine spar varnish today, picking the one that's most suitable for your needs can really be challenging. But, not if you pick the spar varnish manufactured by Rust-Oleum. This spar varnish is highly practical to utilize for exterior wood surfaces on top of the waterline, and railings, trim as well as wood furniture. It comes with an oil-based formulation that allows it to expand and contract with altering weather conditions. Many sailors pick this brand because it is more durable as compared to traditional wood finishes, and it has the capability to expand and contract with altering weather conditions. This transparent varnish can provide lovely gloss finish with utmost protection. This type of spar varnish is ideal in the Navy in terms of safeguarding the woodwork that is extremely exposed with salty air. Nevertheless, this spar varnish does not dry up instantly as advertised. Besides, it may call for extra time and huge amount of patience to obtain excellent outcomes. Take note that these are just a few of the weak points that need to be checked before buying this product overall. This marine varnish can compete with more expensive brands since it can render good service. It appears to have longer shelf life, and it is not complex to apply and use even if you're just a beginner. And, unlike other varnish options out there, this does not come with foul odor when being applied. It is mildew, salt and UV resistant, and this is made possible by its durable coating. However, this may require more time to dry, particularly in humid climate. And, it may call for extra amount of time and patience for it to produce satisfying results. For the price, this is a reasonable product that won't put a big hole in your pocket. It can even compete with other expensive options out there. At number 4. MCCLOSKEY 7509 Mo Spar Varn Gloss. Many professional sailors highly consider this product as one of the best boat varnishes available today, since it can remain firm after a few years without revealing any signs of flaking, chalking, cracking or peeling in direct sun exposure. Additionally, it is capable of contracting and expanding with the wood and is quite flexible to use and apply. It is worth mentioning that what sets this product apart from other options is that it comes with superb gloss and adhesion and is more versatile as compared to other forms of varnish. This is dependable in sealing and shielding woods and comes with fade-proof feature as well. As you can see, these are the vital features that a high-quality marine varnish must possess. All the same, the minus points that are to be expected if you purchase this marine varnish include the huge amount of time for you to wait for the varnish to completely dry up. And, the varnishing task can be tedious to deal with. So, you better save a lot of patience while executing the job to obtain satisfying results. Everything mulled over, this marine varnish is a great product to invest in, but it requires a lot of work and more time for it to dry completely. It is particularly formulated to fight off water, salty air and weathering. If you are a boat owner, this is an investment that you'll never regret buying. You can also apply this to fences, trim and different outdoor furniture. This also comes with matchless ultraviolet protection that makes it last for a long period of time. Without any shadow of doubt, this is the right stuff for the job.